I'm shooting in 4K. I got no throttle. I had just kidding. I put my throttle on and up I go. Beautiful, nice, calm flight. Look at that. Just going straight out. I'm gonna move because I got the fleas right in front of me. Just prior to this, I shot about 8 minutes of video, I would say. I went to set to 4K, choosing activity, which is my setup, and I had no response. So I had to shut the camera off a couple of times, just wait about 2 minutes. I grabbed my iPhone to try to show you guys. I may just try to look ahead where the actual plane is at and then trying to look up. It is dolphining because there's probably a little wind current right there. I can't break it. So I'll just stay below the tree lines about and fly. I am dead stick. Just on the elevator and rudder. So let's go up in the air. I'm not sure how much more battery I got left on this. And see if I could break that little thermal. Problem is for me, my glasses are on and it makes me look a little higher than usual. I thought these bugs will all be gone by this weather. It's beautiful, nice and warm. I need to get just a little higher. I'm still underneath the level. There we go, and I can't break that the thermal. I don't know if you can see it. I could definitely see it. And do an invert. I do an invert at that height rather than do it low. And I can't hold the invert, that's just me. I'm not sure if my battery is now too far back or if the wing adjusted. Well, I am happy. Beautiful 4K footage, and I'll see how this all comes out. Now the bit rate is low. I don't like doing high bit rate. I'm not interested in getting the perfect video out there in bit rate. I'm just interested in enjoying my fun. That is smooth sailing right there. Cut across, bring it right into the sun. It is definitely the golden hour. I can't see. Gonna have to give it throttle now because I'm a little too low. And I'll see if I get a nice hand catch for you. Here we go. Cut it, hand catch, just like that. That's how I catch it. So I hope this was an enjoyable flight for you. It definitely was for me. Have a great day. See you on the next videos to come.